Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover this fantastic investment property located in the desirable community of Westgate Hills, Montego Bay, Jamaica. Perfectly positioned for income generation, this property features three self contained units, making it an excellent opportunity for Airbnb or long term rentals. Unit 1 has three bedrooms, two bathrooms. Spacious unit with an open concept layout, ideal for families or groups seeking a comfortable vacation or long term stay. Unit 2 comes with two bedrooms, two bathrooms, a cozy yet functional unit designed for couples or small families looking for privacy and convenience. Unit 3 has one bedroom, one bathroom, a compact and private space, perfect for singles or couples. Fully self contained units with separate entrances for privacy and convenience, located in the upscale neighborhood of Westgate Hills, offering a quiet and secure environment. Proximity to Montego Bay's top attractions, including shopping, dining, beaches, and nightlife, with great potential for high occupancy rates due to its location and layout. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 450,000 or Jamaican $70.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.